Welcome back to the class. Now, as the analyst or the professional in a given case scenario, then what is your role? What are you expected to do? You should remember that for you to be successful in ICANN case study, you need to understand what the examiner wants you to do or what you're expected to do for you to identify or solve the case. The first thing is that you need to be able to identify the problems. Remember that in episode 1, I said case scenario will include different business problems, lots of business problems. So you need to be able to identify these problems. You need to be able to distinguish between symptoms of the problems and the problems itself. So you need to be able to identify this core problem. What are those things? What are the challenges that the company is facing at that time? You need to be able to identify this problem, because until you identify the problems, you cannot analyze the problem, then you cannot provide solution. So that is more reason why you need to be able to identify these problems presented in the case. Then the other thing is that you need to be able to identify the key issues within the context of a theory. So most of the time, ICANN might ask you to use a particular business model or use a particular financial model or financial theory or technique to analyze the problem in the case. So you need to be able to apply these theories to the problems you have identified. Now, the other one is that you need to be able to compare and develop and compare alternative solutions to the problem. Once you are able to analyze the key issues or problems identified, then you get to the level of preferring solution. But the solutions you prefer or you give to your client in the case scenario, you need to be able to compare these solutions and look at the best alternative solution. The best alternative solution is the one you will present in the case. Then you consider the advantages of this possible solution before you select the best solution by making what? A recommendation for action. Then the last one is that you need to be able to write your case analysis in appropriate case analysis report format. Now, this is an entire topic in this course. Thank you for your time. See you in the next.